Hi guys, in today's video I will be teaching you how I use Canva to design my thumbnail. Please kindly wait because I know you're gonna say this, all these your thumbnails do not look like thumbnails designed with Canva. Hold on, I do not only use Canva to design my thumbnails, I also make use of AI as well as CapCut. But in this particular video, I will just show you how I use Canva and Canva alone to design. Maybe hopefully in another video I will show you how I design using CapCut. In another video I will show you how I design using AI. If I want to merge three together, I think this video might be more than 1 hour. So for the sake of your data, for the sake of your time, let's do it in bits. So what I want you to do for me at this point is for you to kindly subscribe if you're yet to, kindly like this video, kindly share. You can save it and watch it later. So without wasting time, because I do not want this video to be long, come with me to my screen recorder because I'm going to show you everything step by step. If you know me, you know I do not gatekeep on this platform. Come with me guys, let's go. Guys, so at this point I'll come over to Google. So here on Google I will type Canva. I don't have the app, so I like using the website version of Canva. So here is my Canva. Here I'll click on it. So now that I have clicked on it, it has brought me to this interface. So at this point, this is what I love doing. So here, I don't know if you can see this, search templates. So here I'll just type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. After typing that, you search. So once you search, you look for any thumbnail that catches your attention. You might want to edit out some things, you might just want the template only, you understand? So in this scenario, what I want is just the template, you understand? So YouTube has its own template. What I want is just the template, so I'll go ahead, click on it, delete, click on it, delete, click, then delete till I delete everything. Let me pause the video. So at this point I am done deleting everything, and what I have now is a plain background. So personally, this is what I love doing. I don't know, you might want to join me if you wish to. So I love going on YouTube to go and get motivations, like to go and get designs. So now I'll head over to YouTube and type how to use TikTok ads, because my video is about TikTok ads. Then I'll click on video. Now you see other people's design, you see other people's thumbnail. So anyone that catches your attention, you go ahead to create it, to recreate it. So like right now, I think I love this one. So this is what I will do. I'll just look at it, then design. So first of all, it has learn TikTok ads. So here, these are the features you use. So pay attention, these are the things that we are going to use. So as I'm using them, you'll get familiar with them. So first of all, I will click on text. You click on text if you want to write. So I'll click on text. I'll click on add a heading. So here I've clicked on it. I will type learn. So I'll keep it aside. What else? TikTok ads. Learn TikTok ads. So there is something you need to know. You need to type all these things independently. Learn TikTok. Okay, let me use capital later. Learn TikTok ads. Yeah, then I'll minimize again. You see those ones are together. Then fast. Learn TikTok ads. I will adjust it. I will type fast. Okay. Oh, what's happening? So, oh my goodness, that's not what I should have done. So you click on text, you click on fast, you type fast, I mean to say. So what else is here? Step by step for beginner. Okay, step by step for beginner. So here I'll type, I'll use this other one this time around. Subheading, I'll use subheading this time around. I'll type beginner, step by step by step for all beginners, for all beginners. So this is what I'll be using. What else is left? Okay, in 6 minutes. I don't think I'll need that in 6 minutes. I won't need it. I don't want to copy everything from him verbatim. So we are going to arrange it now. So first of all, we need to bring in something that looks like a box. So I'll adjust this. Guys, please kindly pardon me. I am not a good designer. So here I will click on my elements. So once you click on elements, this element has lots of shapes. So here I'll click on this particular shape. So I'll drag it to the end here. I will as well drag it to the end here. Now I'll peep on it. It has TikTok logo. On it. So at this point, I can quickly go on Facebook for TikTok logo. I can quickly just type TikTok. Then you search, you see TikTok. So this is official TikTok's page. So here I've saved their logo, and now I am coming back. Here. So at this point, I want to bring in their logo. I want to bring in the logo I just saved. So to do that, I have to click on upload. So here I've clicked on upload. So here what I'll do now is click on upload files. So now I'll click on upload files. Now I'll click on device because I am bringing it from my gallery. You understand? So here I'll go straight to my gallery. And this is it. This is the logo sitting pretty in my gallery. I've clicked on it, so it will definitely, in case it returns like this, you repeat something, it will definitely load. I already have the TikTok logo here. I just wanted to show you how to do it. So at this point, I'll click on the TikTok logo. So I'll click on it. If you look at this zone, let me close this. If you look at this man's own, it does not have a background. So what I will do at this point is this particular I'll click on the logo again. The logo is now highlighted. So now I want to remove the background because his own does not have a background. My own has a black background. So here I have clicked on it, and I will click on remove background, BG remover. It means remove background. So I've clicked on it. Now I am going to click on this particular one here. You can see it is already removing the background. In fact, it is done removing the background. So at this point, I think I am okay. So what I will do now is this. I will take this learn over here. Okay, so what I'll do is this. I like working on my font so that it won't affect my design. So here I'll click on font. So once I click on font, these are the fonts that we have. You can choose any one of your choice, but personally this is the one I love using because it makes my text readable. So I have clicked on it. Now it is asking me if I want to change all my write-up, to be in this font. So what I will do now is this. I will click on change all. So if you've noticed, it has changed everything. It has changed all my write-up. So now this is what I will do. I think I should adjust this a bit. So I will increase it a little. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see the little arrows? Can you see them? So you hold them to drag a little. You drag a little. Now I clicked on TikTok's logo. It has highlighted. Now I want to reduce this size, because if you look at this man's own, it is not, some part of it is not outside. So you hold it, you drag it, and the size has gradually reduced. So I've placed it here. So I'm going to increase the, okay, I think it's still very big, or should I let me reduce it a little. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'll put it in the middle. Then I'll increase if you want to increase the size, the font size, now you look at this place. You increase the font size. So now I will increase the font size. This is 52. I will increase it a little to 66. Now I'll ensure that it is in the middle, like it is right here. I think I'm okay with that. Now what else? Okay, the color is white. That's not a problem. I'm gonna change that. So TikTok ads. So I'll bring TikTok ads here. Oh, we can't see it because it is black. So I'll now click on this my rectangle. Once you click on it, you can see color. Look at color here. So I'll click on color. I'll click on white. So I've clicked on white. It is now visible. This man's own is actually white, so it's now visible. So there is no problem at this point. I have highlighted it. I'll click on font size again to increase the font size. Don't worry, we are getting there. So at this point, what I'll do next is this. I'll check what else. Fast. Okay, fast. I'll bring in another box. So here I'll click on elements. Once you click on elements, it will give you the leverage for you to bring in box. So I'll reduce the size. As well. Now what's the color? The color is it red or is it pink? So let's assume it is red. I'll click on color. I'll use pink. Then I'll bring this fast right in here. What color is fast? Okay, fast is white color. So here I will look for color, make it white. So at this point, now this is what I'm gonna do, guys, because this thing is not really giving me what I want. So I need to change the background. If you check his zone is the background is actually black. If you check his zone, the background is actually black. Some side is dark black, while the other side is a little bit whitish. So I'll click on the background, the image itself. If you've noticed, everything has highlighted. So I'll click on color. So now that I've clicked on color, can you see this icon? Can you see this arrow? So I'll click on the arrow. So now that I have clicked on the arrow, so I don't know if you notice that his own color is 2, like deep black and white. So I will scroll. So this is the one I'm going to use. I think this is the one he used. So I'll click on it. I've clicked on it. So can you now see some part of it is black, deep black, while this other part of it is somehow whitish. I think is it too whitish? Should I use this other one? Okay, I think we should use this first one. So that is okay. That's okay. So at this point, this is what I'm gonna do. What next? Okay, the learn is in white color. So I will change it as well. So okay, I will adjust this one. Then the fast, I'll bring it. Let me check where it is. Okay, I think it is at the right place. Now, did you notice that I disorganized this particular one? Now, for you to bring back anything, you need to either click here. Now, for you to do it the other way around, you click this other one. So at this point, this is the one I'll be clicking, so it can be the way it was previously. So did you notice that I just did that now? So at this point I'll need to bring this to this point. I need to adjust this to this point. So you just click on it, and I want to pick it up from this particular place. If it is too small, you can increase the size first before you drag it. So I'll take the fast inside. I am adjusting it because I'll have to increase the size a little. I am adjusting it because I'll soon bring in my image. So this man's image. So here, let me bring in my image. So here I'll click on uploads. So this is the image I want to use. You see, it has a background. I'll click on BG removal as well. Now it has removed the background for me. I have to adjust this first. I'll come back to it. So here you can increase the size of your image as you want it. So here, this is what I'm gonna do. Is it okay? Let me look at the man's zone. Guys, I'm not a good designer, so I'm just trying because of YouTube. So I think I need to adjust this again, and I need to adjust this as well. Okay, so this thing is not actually here. I think I forgot to delete it when I was deleting other things. So I can increase the font size of that one again, of the learn. Okay, I'll keep it here. TikTok art. Then what else? Okay, for every beginner is in white. It is in white. So I'll change the color. I'll change it to white. So now that I've changed it to white, I'll need to increase the font size a little because it is not visible. I need to increase it a little. Okay, I think 52 is okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see if I can reduce it a little. Okay, I can even break this down. So you can click on it. Click on text. Oh my goodness, it brought me here. That's not what I wanted to do. So I'll click here. Now I want to break it. Here. So you click here. Now it has broken it into two. So here I can just fix it here. So this is our design. So guys, this is it. Let me know if I was able to design it. Let me know if you like it. Let me adjust this one a little. Guys, let me know what you think. Does it look alike? Okay, I think my image is not sitting pretty well. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, should I reduce the size of this one a little? I think so it won't be touching my head that much. So okay, so guys, what do you guys think? So this is it. This is the original. And this is my own. Guys, what do you think? So at this point, if you want to export it, you look up here, you click on it. Once you click on it, you click on download. Once you click on download, it will bring you to this interface. You click on download again. Once you click on download again, you just calm down because it will tell you. Can you see it here? It is telling me to open. So here I will click on the open, and it has brought me here. So this is it, guys. Rate my design. Kindly rate my design in the comments. Did did I try? So this is it. You can always design like me. Before you go ahead to design, you go on YouTube to get inspiration, you go on YouTube to look at designs, you understand, so that you have something to guide your thoughts. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.